Let's go find some young people.
Are you guys vlogging?
Let me drop you guys a follow.
She looked at me and she said, "Are you making content?" Yeah, I'm a disciple.
Hey, what's your company name?
I'm a disciple at TTTS.
What does it stand for?
Okay.
What are we doing here?
We're gonna interview some people.
Who are we?
Huh?
You're no Mancy.
I'm the Mancy and you're Mike the mentor. Let's do some interviews.
We should ask people when they started using SQL. SQL is such a big part of what we learned when we first went here. I just want free goodies, bro.
Yeah, I just want free goodies too. Hey.
The YouTube videos should be titled like "We infiltrated San Francisco Snowflake."
We infiltrated San Francisco Snowflake.dev. And the first goal is to see how many freebies we can get doing this.
Remember last year we got a whole bag?
Yeah.
Hey, this year's security's tight.
I can't believe it. Last year, we snuck in with no IDs.
I know, we had to use our student IDs.
Yeah, and then they just believed us. But I'm telling you, there's gonna be one person who actually thinks we're famous influencers.
Let me drop you guys a follow.
Cool. Bag. Nice.
Want that bag, huh?
I want the bag. I do want that bag.
Oh, that's a nice bag.
You just have to scan our badge. Tell us about it.
Sorry, yeah, what are you guys looking for? Okay, are you guys in school? Or?
No. We're graduating.
Okay, awesome. Cool, where are you at?
This is an alias.
What? Take it easy, guys.
Our only day off work. Let's go.
I love it.
What is our bag today?
It says totally unified.
Mattia, bro. Bag. Stream data to Snowflake. Okay. Everything's Snowflake. Oh, look, see, they're recording.
He's camera mugging me.
They're professional. Wait, those guys are actually camera mugging.
Camera mugging me, bro.
For teams and agents. How interesting.
Giving out. Oh, the octopus! The octopus! Remember that?
Oh, the octopus. Can you explain 600 plus connectors?
It's a data integration platform
Right.
for managing those connectors, and these are the 600 plus that we manage. CPs are going to be for our agentic platform.
I see.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Can we get an octopus?
Hey, good luck today, guys.
Thank you. Oh, what are you
S
rating?
tier.
S tier? First S tier of the day.
Here. He explained it well. He
Yeah, charisma. He gave out the octopus.
charisma. Yeah. And S tier. S tier. Here is perfect marketing. This is absolutely perfect marketing. Just zoom into the sign. Race to AI ready data. It's a little shaky. Oh wow, thank you. Is this a working motorcycle?
It is. We gave it away yesterday, yeah.
Dude, that's really cool. Hey everybody, so we're at Snowflake AI here today. As you can see, this large, wonderful crowd of people.
Arc'teryx, bro.
What's the difference between you guys and Arc'teryx? I'm back, and I think we just ran into Nikola Jokic. We're back, and the crowd is even larger. Take a look at all that people.
Earlier you saw him pick up 2 bags.
Where'd the other one go? You should raise your right hand as he raises his left. Oh, he got it. Okay, like this.
And then crouch down.
Oh,
Not
like
too
this.
far down because you want to be able to be in camera view.
Okay.
And
then I go.
stand up.
Whoo.
Yeah.
Oh.
We don't need you to hurt yourself.
Can I try one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. A little less lean. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh, this is actually really fun.
Yeah. Go. You got it. Wow.
Oh, 4. I got 2 or 3. Everybody, we just ran into BB No Money.
What's a famous Baby No Money song?
Da, 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 da.
Ask him if they're playing Bougie Bingo. Because he's been saying it over and over.
Giving away a Nintendo Switch 2 over here.
Are you guys playing Bougie Bingo?
Bougie Bingo.
Bougie
man.
Bingo?
That's right.
Okay, I'm ready.
Scan that QR code, get in the game. We're giving away a Nintendo Switch 2.
Already in.
That's right. What's going on?
Bougie Bingo. We're doing Bougie Bingo. Yeah!
Let's go.
Well, the sandwich is very popular.
No.
Oh, nice. Hey, wait, dude, that looks like a turkey sandwich. I'm here at the Snowflake Dev Conference, and everyone behind me, these CEOs, these founders.
Click the link in the description below to find out why.
What are these people?
Oh, it's running, it's running. The incompatibility curse. Beat the game. Okay. I give up. Semarchy is the partner guide for Snowflake GTM with modern DevOps. Are these real balls? Oh, these are real balls.
And then we'll just enter into your side data to make sure. So we're turning here's something.
Doing this glasses.
Oh, my camera's about to die.
Hi, sorry.
Oh.
I'm the Axiom
Oh.
Foods. I'm sorry. That's one of our
Oh, I thought that was-
colleagues' things. I'm sorry.
Yeah, students.
Wait, are you guys vlogging?
Yeah, we're documenting our documentary. It's about tech, in big tech in San Francisco.
Oh, nice. And where are you posting?
You know Tubi?
Tubi TV?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. What do you do?
I do technical product marketing.
Nice, for how long?
A year and a half now.
Hey, have a good one.
You too.
Okay, nice. So we got one person that,
Let me drop you guys a follow.
you want to drop us a follow?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Oh, cool.
Like, I make like ML content.
Oh, you do?
No, I just want to drop you guys a follow. You guys seem to be doing like cool things. Where's the Tubi thingy?
Oh, the Tubi thingy? That's not part of us. We're just contracting for them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, hey, have a good one.
You too.
Take care, man.
Take care.
Go long, go long. Go. Go long. Hey, get us here. Is this the exit? Are you ready to enter the back room?
Just a body over here.
How do we leave? Oh.
And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap for us on Snowflake.
we'll never know.
Wrap on Snowflake 2026. We'll see you again in 2027.
Unfortunately, I could not be there in person to say goodbye. No Mancy, signing off. Goodbye, everyone. Coming up next on Tubi. Yeah, let's go! Yeah!